You all are hearing about a disease called coronavirus since last 5 to 6 months. This disease is also known as COVID-19. Due to this disease, you are not going to school, colleges and probably outside your home. But do you know what is COVID-19? From where and how did it start spreading across the world? And how you should protect yourself from this disease? Well, I will answer to all these questions in this video. Hello and very warm welcome to Propelling Minds, your weekly update on what's happening in the fields of science, technology, innovation, environment and sports in and around the world. I am Kajal with you. Let's start. First, we will see what exactly the term COVID-19 means. In the term COVID-19, CO stands for corona, VI means virus, D stands for disease, and number 19 means the year 2019. 2019 is because coronavirus was first detected in this year. So, now you all come to know that COVID-19 means coronavirus disease 2019. But now, you must be thinking, from where did this corona word come? In fact, in Latin language, corona means crown. And as this virus has crown-like spikes on its surface, scientists name it as a coronavirus. Now, we will see from where and how this disease starts spreading across the world. You must have learned that some diseases are transmitted from animals to humans. These types of diseases are known as zoonotic diseases. Here, zoo means animals and hence zoonotic means spread from animals to humans. Did you hear about Ebola virus in past? This virus was spread from bats to humans in some parts of Africa. Like Ebola, the COVID-19 is also a zoonotic disease. It is originated in the month of December 2019 in the city of Wuhan, China. According to some experts, the first coronavirus affected humans were mostly linked to the seafood wholesale market present in the Wuhan city. From there, this disease started spreading among humans. As this disease is contagious, its human-to-human transmission is so fast that within 3 to 4 months it spread almost in every corner of the world. Wherever infected person travels, COVID-19 also travels with that person, and this is how the coronavirus is traveling so quickly from one country to another country. So, to stop the spread of this disease, all countries are encouraging people to stay home, and this has helped a lot in reducing the spread of this disease. Now, let's see how coronavirus infects people and transmits from one person to another. Spread of this virus depends on how close or apart people stand with each other while talking, traveling or shopping. Why this is so? Because coronavirus primarily spreads through small droplets produced by coughing, sneezing and talking. That is why doctors advise us to cover our mouth with elbow when we cough or sneeze and to wear mask while going outside. Also, government is advising us to maintain social distancing while going in public places so as to stop spread of infection through droplets. If infected person does not cover mouth, then while coughing, sneezing and talking, droplets usually fall to the ground or onto the surfaces. People may also become infected by touching these surfaces and then touching their face. So, when you're outside, if you do not have hand wash or soap, you may sanitize your hands with the help of sanitizer, and after returning to home, do not forget to wash your hands with soap or hand wash for at least 20 seconds. So, to protect yourself from this disease, 3 things are extremely important. First, to wear mask. Second, to maintain social distancing when you go outside. And third, to wash your hands regularly with soap or hand wash. Now, I will tell you about what happens to the person who gets infected with coronavirus. Most of the coronavirus infected patients recover from the disease within 10 to 14 days. This is because majority of people have mild symptoms. Common symptoms of this disease are fever, cough, fatigue, shortness of breath, and loss of smell and taste. Older people are at higher risk for catching COVID-19. In some cases, life-threatening acute symptoms such as acute respiratory distress syndrome, multi-organ failure, and blood clots may result in the death of infected person. Is there any end to this disease? Will it permanently go away? Across the world, scientists are working so hard to find out how to prevent people from getting this disease and how to help people recover if they infected. Number of drugs are being tested on infected people all over the world. Let's hope scientists to come up with a vaccine as early as possible to prevent the further spread of coronavirus. Hope you enjoyed our video. If you are interested watching more such videos, then please hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to become the first to know about upcoming videos.